Happy almost St. Patrick's Day. One of our favorite P&J Family St. Patrick's traditions is consuming all the Shamrock shakes our hearts desired. And that's exactly what inspired us to share with you these homemade Shamrock bath bombs. These bath bombs are the cutest little gifts for friends. Plus, they are scented like chocolate mint. So, how do you do it? Let's get to it. Hope you enjoyed making this craft with us, and we wish you a pot of gold and all the joy your heart can hold this St. Patrick's Day.